Here's how to fix WhatsApp not working on iPhone, whether it's stuck on loading, not opening, or crashing. Before getting into complex steps, the very first thing that you want to do is force restart your iPhone. And this should be able to fix WhatsApp that's not responding. If WhatsApp still won't open or load, then the second thing that you can check is WhatsApp server status. Just open your browser and search WhatsApp server status. Then tap on the website from down detector and you will see any possible outage at the top. And if it says no current problem, but WhatsApp is still not working in your case, then this can happen if WhatsApp doesn't have all the permissions. And to check that, open settings, scroll all the way down, open apps, and find WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp and make sure everything is enabled. After that, from settings, you can also go to screen time, then content and privacy restrictions, and if it's enabled, you can disable it temporarily and see if WhatsApp works after this. If the problem persists, the next thing we'll check is whether WhatsApp is up to date. To do that, you can long press on the App Store and tap on Updates. Then scroll down and see if whether WhatsApp is not updated. If you find it here, just install the latest update. And it's also equally important to check whether your iOS is updated as well. You can just go to General, then Software Update, and install any iOS update if it's pending. And in case WhatsApp still won't load or open, then what you can also do is offload WhatsApp and reinstall it. To do this, just go to General Settings, iPhone Storage, find WhatsApp, and choose Offload App. This won't delete any of your chats or app data, so rest assured. And tap on Offload App. After it's offloaded, go ahead and reinstall it, and now you'll be able to use WhatsApp without any problem. And in case you have backup of your WhatsApp chats, then you can also try the delete app option. Unfortunately, if WhatsApp won't work whatever you do, then don't worry, cause you can always use WhatsApp Business as an alternative. And after installing, you can transfer all your chats and media files from your original WhatsApp. So you won't have to sacrifice anything. And hopefully this will get fixed in the future. And that's all for this video. Make sure to let us know which one worked, and I'll see you around.